tractors. Scores! Yeah, guess what? I have a feeling that there's a rat's nest in there. Speaking of rat's nest, somebody died of hantivirus in Florida recently. They haven't had a case of hantivirus in a long time. Hantivirus is when you inhale the rat droppings and feces microbes from that. Anyway, so look, battery box is off, filter's off. I'm going to spray some of this. I guess it's ether when it's starting fluid. There's no shut off or anything. You know what? I choked it when I did that, so nothing went in there. Choke it again. Let's just see if it starts without me sitting on it. Oh, it does. So the seat safety switch is not working. Well, I don't know. It seems like it's really slow. You know what I mean? The cranking is slow. I'm going to remove the spark plug.
Henry, I thought you were going to remove the hood.
I was going to remove the hood if I was going to have a lot of problems with this engine, but it looks like it turns, so. Spark plug looks okay. There's not a lot of oil or carbon buildup on it. Let's crank it and see if it cranks faster and if anything shoots out the front. Nothing shot out the front. Let's test for spark. Connect the spark plug back on here again. Kind of touch it somewhere. You guys aren't going to be able to see this. Sorry, there's no real way to do it. Yes! It's got spark. So it's got spark, cranks. Let's shoot some starting fluid into the hole here.
Henry, if you took off the hood, you could do it easier.
Shut up.
That's a lot.
It has spark, just blew fluid in there. So once it sparks, it should ignite. So when you press the, when you put the spark plug in there, it kind of doesn't want to stay there, you know? I gotta like crimp the metal thing in the coil. All right, let's see if it starts up a little. Sort of did, right? I don't know, man. It just doesn't seem like it's spinning fast enough, does it? Just put a battery charger to it just to see if it cranks faster. Ooh, okay. A little bit, huh? Remove 2 bolts on either side. Remove the hood. Like I said, it's all cracked over here, so I don't want to really move it all that much, you know. It's a 9/16 bolt right on this pivot point right here near the muffler. This one was really tough to get out. The other one was okay. I suspect that there's a mouse nest under here, so I'm gonna remove this cover. It's 4 3/8 to remove the shroud, 1 5/16 to remove the dipstick from there. Let's see if we have a mouse nest. Two 3/8 on the front. It's going to take a while to get to the back ones because you can't get an impact in there. 5/16 to loosen this bracket. This bracket holds the shroud cover to the dipstick. Dipstick? Cletus, you dipstick? So here we go. What do you guys think? Mouse nest or what? For sure! For sure. Maybe we can figure out why it cranks so slow. Damn it! Holy cow, I could tell already.
Henry, you should have removed.
Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Don't breathe, Henry. Oh boy. That's pretty damn bad, bros. Pretty damn bad, man. I gotta go get a mask. That's pretty bad, huh? But I never get a mouse, though. I'd like to get a mouse. I mean, I have had a few mice, but not a lot. Yeah. You think this had something to do with it cranking slow? Maybe, right? A lot of stuff in the way, whatever. Maybe. But it is only just grass and leaves and stuff, so why would that prevent a motor from cranking too slow? I'm not sure about that. I got my air compressor fired up. Just stopped. Man, this thing is packed. Holy. Packed. A lot of stuff in here, man. A lot. Just jammed in there, like packed. All the fins filled. Fins are filled with it. This is going to take a long time to clean this out, for sure. Screwdrivers, all that stuff. Forever. Let me go get the air compressor, because this is going to take a while. Let's see how much we can do. Might have to take the tins off. Gonna have to take the carburetor off too. This thing has been sitting outside for a long time. It's even worse that it's wet too. I took the front tin off and bent down the side one. Look at the stuff in here. Also, somebody taped up this magneto, see? This magneto's like, it works, but I question how well. All right, you guys have seen enough. I'm gonna lubricate the ring gear here using some toolbox buddy from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. It's because it's getting hung up. See if it cranks better now. Still doesn't crank very fast, you know. Let's try a little bit of spray again. I doubt this worked because this is all jammed full of crap now from the blowing. I got to take the carburetor apart anyway, but let's just see. There you go. Surprised it doesn't do it more, you know?